Hi there, it's Justin Mahmood, the web guy here, and in this YouTube tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a PDF file into a Word document that you can edit. You can do this with other stuff. I'm just going to do it with PDF just to make it the video short. Sweet. So the first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and go to this website, convertdo.co, and click on something. Just click on choose file. It's going to download, so I know that's where it is. Tree of Life 1, open, then it converts, the document is what we want. We'll just go over docx, that's it. Then click convert, then my mistake, uploading. Download, there, click it, there, open, and submit it. So that is how easy it is to convert a PDF file into a Word file that you can edit. Hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section below, and also leave a comment for any future suggestion videos that you would like me to make. Thanks very much.